Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix screen flickering issue on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display and brightness. And if you want to fix this problem, so turn off adaptive brightness. After turn off adaptive brightness, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system. Scroll down and click on reset phone. If you want to fix this problem, so reset all settings. Click on reset and enter your phone pin and click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last option is software update. Click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix screen flickering issue on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.